Public administrators at all levels of government are wrestling with significant challenges: the global pandemic, economic uncertainty, increasingly complex technologies, widespread social inequities, climate change, and ongoing military conflicts abroad. These social, cultural, economic, environmental, and technological developments are putting pressure on federal regulatory agencies. The public increasingly expects that government agencies provide a user-friendly and responsive customer experience similar to private sector companies. As a result, we know the public sector must become more agile in its approach to meet rapidly evolving public needs in a more efficient, effective, and equitable way. Our new report, developed in partnership with the Project Management Institute, recommends an agile regulatory framework that can help federal agencies better meet these public needs. Our report outlines 9 proposed agile tenets, along with specific practices that can help agencies become more anticipatory and forward-looking, innovative and experimental, data-driven, responsive, and transparent. These practices will support regulatory agencies' vital public missions. You can find the report on our website at napawash.org.